Welcome to Salesforce training. In this demonstration, we're going to learn about opportunities in Salesforce. Opportunities are where we track and manage our incremental sales efforts with our accounts. You can search for opportunities using global search, list views, or the related lists within the account record. We'll use global search to find the opportunity we're working on. Simply click Search Salesforce and enter the name of the account record you're looking for. We will enter Solutions. As you can see, the top results will show a summary of the most recent records that match your search criteria in each Salesforce object, such as accounts, contacts, and opportunities. When we click the Opportunities tab on the left, we can see just those opportunity records that match our search criteria. By default, the list of opportunities is sorted by relevance. You can change the sorting by clicking on the Sort button or any of the column headers. As we scroll through the list of opportunities, we can view the details of a record simply by clicking the opportunity name. As we view the opportunity record, we see that below the name is the Highlights panel, which displays quick, pertinent information about this opportunity. To the right are action buttons, Follow, Edit, New Contact Role, New Note, and Sales Call options. The sales path is right below the Highlights panel and displays the stages of development of this opportunity based on the Sherwin-Williams selling process. It's important to keep opportunities up to date so that you always know which opportunity to work on next. The Guidance for Success toggle caret reflects the goals of each stage of this opportunity. As we change the stage, the key fields and the Guidance for Success changes as well. Once you've completed all the recommended guidance and collected all relevant data on the opportunity, you can mark that stage complete. In the main body of the opportunity record are the Activity, Chatter, and Detail subtabs. Related lists of information are located in the right-hand column of the page. Related lists contain all records related to this opportunity, like sales calls, competitors, contact roles, brands, files, and notes. Notice that next to each related list, there's an action button that can be used to add additional records to the related list. The Details tab is broken into different sections. The General Opportunity section contains the opportunity name, type of opportunity, the annual amount, the expected close date, and comments. The Identify Needs section contains your strategy and action steps. The Presenting Proposal and Testing Product section contains the dates and results of your trial. Obtain Feedback and Resolve Objections, the Closed Opportunity Data, and System Information are the final sections on the opportunity record. Sections can expand and collapse by clicking on the caret next to the section name. We'll recommend that you collapse these sections that do not apply to your business area. They will remain collapsed until you open them again. The Chatter tab allows you to collaborate on an opportunity record by posting chatter messages, attaching files, or links across your organization. The Activity tab displays tasks associated to an opportunity. Tasks are activities to be completed by a specific due date. You will use a sales call object to schedule events. You can edit an opportunity record simply by clicking the Edit button or by double-clicking on any field that has the pencil icon. Once you are through editing, click Save. To create a new opportunity in Salesforce, simply click the New button on the Opportunity homepage, or by selecting New Opportunity from the Opportunity tab caret, or from the Account-Related Opportunities list, click New. The red asterisk indicates required fields, but you should enter as much information as you know. Add an opportunity name that relates to the products you want to sell. Select the type of opportunity you want to add, whether it's coding, equipment, or supplies. The estimated annual amount, the expected close date, and the associated account name. It's a good idea to start each opportunity at the Identify Needs stage, as you should create each opportunity as early in the sales process as possible. That way you won't lose track of this potential sale in the future. After you enter the required information, click Save or Save and New if you're planning on creating a separate selling initiative. To return to the opportunity, click the caret on the Opportunity tab and select the most recent record. It's a best practice to add a contact role to an opportunity so that you can track activities and related information with the contacts involved in this specific deal. Another best practice is to enter the competitor and brand information. Click the New button on the competitor record and select each competitor involved in this opportunity. Repeat the same action to add our brands the customer is considering. This information helps you discover trends in your sales process. Remember that opportunities are records that hold all the information as well as the people and activities involved related to winning this sale. Losing a sale also provides feedback on how you can change your approach in the future to win more business. Go to the Salesforce CRM Connections community for more videos, user guides, and support.